Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day. Welcome you all to an exciting and easy learning for pre-primary channel. Today we will be having a short tour of an amazing and beautiful birds all around the world. So let's get started.
Barn owl, wood duck, also known as mandarin duck, king penguin, parrot, ostrich, rooster, herring gull. Herring gull is also known as seagulls. We can mostly visualize them on beaches. Vulture, pigeon,
Goose,
bald eagle, hen, sparrow, crow. Crow in some places also known as raven. Falcon, turkey, woodpecker, hummingbird, peacock. It's a national bird of India. Swan, stork, heron, dove,
nightingale,
kingfisher, quail, kite, robin, grey-tail, goldfinch, blue jay. Suggestion of various topic related to pre-primary would be appreciated. A huge thank you for watching this video. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon with a comment below. Thank you.